Well, I just had to show you this. 30s, 50s trasher machine. Today's combines, I guess. Massey Harris, like that. And then people with the shovels up front, shoveling in. And these wooden paddles, this would turn, and that would actually create the airflow to lift the straw and whatnot off the grain. Pretty neat stuff. Most important, keep all nuts tight. I always do that. I like my hardware tight, and that's the message behind the Massey Harris trasher machine, made in Canada, Canadian manufacturer, manifatture. Spout to the clouds. We're having a beautiful day for November in Alberta, Canada. Farmer's Almanac might be right this year. But yeah, I should probably just talk more about this trasher machine. That's seized. That's solid. Of course, it was rescued right out of the tree line, so that's why still some parts of the tree grown into the machine. There's one more on the other side. No comment. Show you this piece of wood here. Oh yeah, there it is. It's part of the equipment. thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Thank you. Happy days.